Bill Gates said that if you born poor, it's not your mistake. If you die poor, it's your mistake. That's why we have to achieve something so that we can say about ourselves that I have done something better. And in this criteria, we are learning English. So it is not a knowledge, but it is language. And if you can achieve this skill, then you can do something better in the world. That's why it is important that you have to learn English to speak. And here is the solution, that is how you can speak English and how you can be a fluent speaker. Okay, so whatever I faced my English experiences as a second language, that I want to share with you so that it can be helpful for you to learn English daily and you can be better in speaking English. So as you can see, this is my university campus. Here is the bus station and I am now walking on the road, and this is a good place for me to walk and I can express whatever I do and whatever is going on around me. Okay, so as you can see, this is my campus. Okay, so first one is to speak English. You have to stop learning English and you have to speak English. Why it is important? If you learn just more and more, if you listen more and more, if you read more and more, then it will not be the good thing only. At the same time, you have to do one thing, that is speaking. And that is, I want to say you that whatever give you in input, you have to do also output, and you have to give output, and then you can do this if you just speak English. So reading, listening, these are the basic things which is very good, and these are the inputs. Okay, and then if you can speak, then it can be output. So you have to have now output. That's why I have said to you that stop learning, keep speaking. So now you have to speak more and more so that you can be fluent in speaking English. So this is the thing what is important for everybody's life, that we learn a lot of things but we can't implement that. So this is the thing what is important for us, that we have to implement whatever we know, whatever we gathered, okay, in this language. Then we have to just deliver our thoughts, our everything that will be helpful for our overall journey in speaking English. I know that you can do this and everyone can do that. As a second language, it is important because if you want to communicate with any other person in the world, then you have to know English, and without knowing English, you cannot communicate with any other person. And if you cannot communicate with any other person in the world, then how will you progress in your life? So this is the thing what is important for us, that we have to learn English because of our overall development. And in this criteria, we can do it in a very short period of time if we just practice more. Okay, so you know that practice makes a man perfect, and here we can practice so that we can get the fluency of English. And English is not my mother language, it is not my mother tongue, it is the second language, and I know that it is also your second language or third language. So do not care about that. Think about your progress, your practice, and overall situation, whatever you are facing right now. You have to just you have to be just consistent. So as a consistent person, you can learn something new, you can deliver something, then your overall fluency will be better day by day. Overnight it is not possible that you will be a rich person or you will be a very good person in the world and better speaker also. That's why you have to start from zero level, and whatever level you have, whatever mistakes you made, don't think about that. Okay, we can make multiple mistakes, you know that. Okay, to err is human, you know that. So as a human we can make mistakes in speaking English, and also as it is the second language, so we have to learn this, and then we can progress our overall fluency skill, then we can be a very good speaker in English. So this is a very good thing for everybody's life, friends. And if you are thinking about developing or improving English, then you can do that. Okay, so if anyone can do that, why can't you do? Okay, so you can do if you want just, and if you can be consistent in speaking English and practice day by day. By doing this, you can enhance your overall capability, your vocabulary, your grammar part, and the sentence structure or whatever related things in English language, then you can achieve that. By achieving this, you can be a good speaker in English. So no matter whatever fluency you have, no matter whatever things you are facing right now, or interruption, so obstacles also, but you have to overcome all of these things so that you can be a very good speaker in speaking English. And in this journey you will face a lot of things, lot of problems, but you have to speak every day and find out those types of mistakes, interruptions, so that you can be better. Okay, after finding those types of mistakes or problems, you have to solve. Okay, so you have to solve those types of things, and then you have to have an expert, or you can find out those types of things with any other person who is an expert in English also. That will be very good. If you do not have any option, then you have enough option with technology like AI. Okay, if you give some delivery AI with Gemini on ChatGPT or any types of things like this applications, then it will be totally helpful for you, that they will they will solve you and your problems also. By doing this, you can enhance your overall capability day by day, and you can find out your problems, your obstacles, whatever you will face at that time, then you can be better speaker in speaking English. So thank you so much all for listening me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and be a very good person, be a very fluent speaker in English. This is my good wishes for you, and thank you so much all of you for being such a wonderful audience. I hope that it is useful for you. Okay, so thank you so much. See you later.